Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. So let me introduce myself. This is Naveed Khalid, and I have done my BS in botany, and I am currently pursuing my MS in plant biotechnology from National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad. I have more than 5 years of experience in biology and chemistry and general science. So today we will discuss about our biology topic from ninth class textbook of Federal Board, and our topic is plastids. So, what are plastids? The it's basically double membrane bonded organelle, and it is found in plant cells as well as plant-like protists, which is also known as algae. And they contain their own DNA and ribosomes, and they are responsible for different functions in plants like food production, storage, and pigmentation. Pigmentation means they give color to the plant parts. So plastids are of three types. One have a green color in it, which is known as chloroplast, and the other one is uh, chromoplast, which contain every color other than or except green color, and leucoplasts are basically colorless. All these three plastids have different roles in the plant cells. So let's discuss about chloroplast first. Okay, so chloroplast is basically a green uh, pigmented plastid, and what they chloroplasts are found, they are found in leaves, green stems, and young green fruits. Basically they are newly formed fruits which are green in color, and when they ripen they turn their color into different other colors. So what is the function of chloroplast? uh, Here they contain chlorophyll, which is basically green in color, and the chloroplast is involved in the photosynthesis, which is basically the process in which plant produce glucose as a food, and they also produce byproduct oxygen, and it use this oxygen for respiration process, as well as they expel out the oxygen in the environment, which we use for our respiration process. Here is the structure for chloroplast, general chloroplast. Uh, as I earlier mentioned that the organelle is basically double membrane bonded. Okay, so here is two membranes. One is outer side membrane and the other one is inner membrane. Okay, so inner membrane, then they have their own DNA, and they also have their ribosomes, and they have liquid-like structure which is known as stroma, and then they have coin-like structures which pile up on each other. One coin-like structure is known as thylakoid, and this pile is known as a granum. One pile is gran, and the all piles collectively known as grana. And here is the connection between two grana, which is also known as intergrana and lamella. Basically, the chlorophyll, which we have we have studied in last slide, previous slide, chlorophyll, which is green in color, which chlorophyll actually present in these coin-like structures, which are thylakoids. So light is captured by these thylakoids, and this light is used to synthesize food in the form of glucose in the presence of water and carbon dioxide. Uh, you also have seen these fruits, these colorful fruits obtained by plants. These are due to the presence of colorful pigments other than green, which are stored in the plastid chromoplast. Okay, so where chromoplast is found, you can see that this is found in fruits which are ripened actually, not the unripened or newly found fruits. When the mature fruits are turned into colorful, it means they have chromatoblast. Okay, so what is the function? It contains carotenoid pigments. Carotenoid means many pigments other than green, like red color or purple color or pink color. These are carotenoid pigments. They provide pigmentation. We earlier mentioned in the first or second slide, pigmentation is the process of chromoplast. They may give the color a yellow, orange, red, or any other color to the plant. They attract insects and animals for the seed parcel and pollination. Now, the question is, what is pollination? Pollination is the process in which you can see that these are pollens, or we can also say them pollen grains or anthers. The pollen grains or anthers are present on the male part, and they are transported to the female part, which is also known as stigma. And this is basically transported from one flower to the other, from male part to the female part, with the help of pollinators. These pollinators may be butterflies, honeybees, and other birds as well. When the pollination is occurred, the fertilization occurred. And in the result of fertilization, this flower is basically this ovary, the central portion is converted into new fruit, and these ovules, some ovules present here, these ovules are converted into seeds, and the birds feed on these fruits, and they disperse the seeds far away from the plant. So basically, plants grow due to this process. Okay, so last one is leucoplasts. They are colorless pigments and they are present in stems, which are basically brown in color, and they are also present in the roots, stem tubers, and bulbs. Now, the question is, what are stem tubers and bulbs? They are actually underground parts. These are basically stem tubers are basically potatoes, and bulb is present in onion, and there are also other parts which are on underground roots, underground stem, sorry, and the core. What is the function of leucoplasts? They are involved in the storage of food. Food is prepared by the chloroplast and is stored by the leucoplast. And on the basis of type of food, they are converted into three types. One is elioplast, which store oils or fats. The other one is proteinoplast, which stores protein. And the third one, which is basically the main type of leucoplast, is amyloplast, which stores uh, glucose in the form of starch. Basically, starch is also carbohydrate, and glucose is also carbohydrate. Okay, so let's compare all these types. Chloroplast is green in color, chromoplast contain any color other than green, and leucoplasts are colorless. What is the function of chloroplast? Chloroplast is involved in the photosynthesis and prepare food actually. Chromoplast is involved in the pigmentation or coloration of flowers, and flower, basically the petals of flowers. What are petals? These are actually the colorful leaves. These red leaves are called petals, and these green leaves are called sepals. So sepals are have chloroplast, and the petals have uh, chromoplast. Okay, so uh, chromoplast is involved in the coloration, pigmentation, and pollination, and seed dispersal, and leucoplast is involved in the food stores. Chloroplast is present in green leaves, newly formed green fruits, and chromoplasts are present in the flower's petals, which are actually colorful leaves, and they are also present in ripened fruits. When the newly green fruits are converted into ripened fruits, then it means chloroplast is converted into chromoplast, and leucoplast is present in the roots, stems, and tubers. So this is about just a short story of it. If you have any question, then you have to contact me. Okay, thank you. This is the QR code. You can scan this QR code to access me. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.